Welcome back to Spark, our weekly video series highlighting new user-requested features. Today we are looking at the new scripting capabilities that allow users to set properties while adding objects. This idea provides some surprisingly far-reaching and powerful improvements over the old syntax. Consider adding a simple rectangle. This is the hello world of CAD environment setup scripts. Previously, LSF would require several set commands spread over a number of lines. This is not very clear to read, especially when adding many objects. The idea here is to allow an argument to be passed when an add function is called, in order to avoid all these set commands. This new syntax translates into more elegant and, more importantly, faster code, since each set command comes with a cost. The argument here is a struct, so that all data types of a simulation object can be passed simultaneously. Also, this makes it easy to initialize a struct and pass it to the add function. Notice this works with add mesh as well, and in fact will work with pretty much any command that adds an object to the tree. You can also modify structs on the fly as opposed to using set. You may have noticed that the syntax used here is exactly the same as you would use to define a Python dictionary. In fact, these data types are logically equivalent. This makes it a trivial adjustment when working with the automation API. This is part of a broader strategy of developing ecosystem tools that work together intuitively. For those of us that regularly play in this sandbox, the feature provides fantastic improvements in clarity and efficiency. As a test, let's try adding 1,000 objects using the old set method and compare that with the time it takes to add using structs. Notice a factor of 4 improvement, which should just get better with the more objects you add. So, if you enjoy elegant code and appreciate performance as much as I do, I know that you will love this feature. Have to applaud the development team for this one. We would love to make your ideas a reality, so please keep up the awesome contributions at iax.lumerical.com.